Freddie the Forgetful Fish. A short moral story. Deep in the colorful coral reefs of the ocean lived a little blue fish named Freddie. Freddie was kind, curious, and fun, but he had one tiny problem: he forgot everything. He would swim off to find food and forget why he left. He'd make plans with his sea friends and forget to show up. His forgetfulness often got him into trouble. One day, Freddie wandered too far from home and forgot the way back. He panicked. "Oh no! Where am I?" he cried. A wise old turtle nearby heard him and said, "Slow down, little one. You remember more than you think." Freddie closed his eyes and took a deep breath. He remembered the shiny red coral, the bubbly rock, and the school of singing seahorses he passed. Slowly, he followed the clues back, and found his way home. His friends cheered. "You did it, Freddie." From that day on, Freddie started using little tricks to help himself, like singing songs about directions and making up rhymes to remember names. He still forgot things sometimes, but he never gave up trying. Moral: everyone has their challenges, but with a little effort and belief, we can overcome them. Thank you for watching.